Anna.
There is no light, sir.
Anna, action.
Light, sir, light. Light we require. Okay. There is a show is on. Is the live is on?
Yes.
Okay. Good evening, folks. This is Chef Satish, brand corporate chef for the Idli Street, right? And we are here in the Amul India show, the Taste of India, the prestigious show which they have given opportunity to us, and we are very thankful to them. And before I am entering it, there are so many questions about the South Indian cuisine. So many. So today we try to resolve some of them. Be with us. And let me introduce my team. Yeah, get inside. Come here. Yeah, this is our CEO, Mr. Ravi.
Hi. Hello viewers. I hope all are doing good. Yeah, my name is Ravi Kumar. I'm CEO of JFC Food Consulting and brand Idli Street. First of all, we are very much honored by Amul team to giving such an opportunity to showcase South Indian culinary skills to entire India. So food arts. So now coming to my company, we are JFC Food Consulting. We are into complete hospitality solutions provider in India, and we have nearly about 250 to 300 clients in India and abroad. We provide complete kitchen solutions, taking from the scratch, finding out the site feasibility to your grand opening of a restaurant. Maybe it's restaurant consultants, or kitchen solutions, or manpower solutions, or menu designing, or menu redesigning, or maybe a restaurant loss control program. Now, in this COVID-19 crisis, we have come out with a beautiful program called Restaurant Loss Control Program. So here we give 20% ideas and 80% results. We guarantee. We have nearly about 30 to 35 clients who are already into our. They have believed in us, and they have shown the success, and they are seeing the results day by day. Now, coming to the Idli Street. Idli Street is a traditional South Indian food franchising opportunity in India and abroad. We have nearly 36 stores which are running successfully all over. We have different models in Idli Street, which is Idli Street Green, which offers only pure vegetarian menu, and the other one is called Idli Street Red, where we offer vegetarian and non-vegetarian menu as well. Idli Street, by the namesake, people may understand maybe it's a breakfast thing, but it's a completely dine-out restaurant. That means you'll find out breakfast, lunch, snacks, and dinner completely occupied for a day. And there are a lot of footfall, and there are food lovers who are addicted to the Idli Street stores all over. Now, coming to the Amul, we already introduced Amul products into our Idli Street stores. Means what? Amul products are reliable and budget friendly, economical and affordable. So not only in Idli Street, in this JFC Food Consulting, whoever our clients are, we have suggested Amul products. People are using those things, and they're very much happy. And now with this thing, maybe the persons who are our clients, or maybe our Idli Street store guys, may be looking at this kind of program, and they'll definitely we promote that Amul products will be taken by them. Now, in this COVID-19 situation, we have come out with the preventive measures and how to survive your restaurant business in this crisis. We have different programs for this, and we are offering at a very affordable prices. And before I conclude, before I give it to Mr. Satish, who is a master chef, I just want to give only the COVID-19, the crisis advice. It's simply everybody is following, and the government is also pampering every now and then. We are dealing with a very sensitive thing called food. So here, what if we have to do is, first thing is what? You have to wash your hands. That means what? When you're going out, please keep your sanitizer with you. And if you're coming inside, wash your hands with a soap or with soap oil or maybe a soap content for at least 20 seconds, so that you and your family members are so healthy and stay healthy. We always believe in one concept called eat healthy and live strong. nowadays in the COVID-19 situation, we also come out with a little slogan called "Stay home, eat healthy." Now, Mr. Satish is going to present you the most delicious food item of South India, that is especially into Andhra Pradesh, that is called brinjal curry. So I just hand over it to Mr. Satish. Satish, I think people will love your food.
Right, okay. So that is my partner and CEO, and I want to introduce one more my teammate. Mr. Teja is a corporate executive. He's looking into the outlet operations. Yeah, come here.
Hi, hello all. Good evening to everyone.
Right.
This is Chef Teja.
Right.
One thing, please wash your hands.
Right, we have sanitized our hands as we are struggling with this COVID-19 crisis. Yes, it is tough time. It is tough time for so many people, and so many people are struggling all over the world, not only in India. Just pin it in. Pin is not inserted correctly. Done. Okay. Right. So today we have selected a dish which is representing Telugu cuisine, as well as it is immunity improviser. Most of our Indian cuisine dishes are inculcated with hidden medicinal qualities. My dear friends, so for the 2 generations or 2-3 generations, we have neglected our grandfathers or great grandfathers' advices when they were telling something to us. But now in this modern days, suddenly after COVID-19, everybody is realizing that these all are the things, are medicines, and we are using it in our dishes, and we are getting immunized. All of the world is not really don't know all these things, but even we know the 2 generations or the 3 generations, those who don't know about all these values, still they are suffering with the immunity. So let's try to understand those all medicinal values, and I'll try to elaborate about the recipe now, right? My concern about Amul is like I'll die for it. Literally, whenever I'll take the name of Amul, a culinary garden emerges in my heart. Literally, I'll enjoy the Amul products, and most trustworthy. And I'm proud being Indian, and that is white revolution has happened, and which is came out with so many products. Amul has given so beautiful and flavorful products to us, and definitely I suggest my all dishes for the Amul, right? So why I've selected this recipe. The recipe name is Amul Neti Vellulli Vankaya Karam. Amul, I have mentioned this, the ADEK, all these vitamins we have in that ghee, and we are going to use that while we are preparing. And this preparation steps we have, which is cut and stuff, right? Cook and eat. These all are the 4 simple steps you have to handle when you are doing it. What you have to cut, I am going to tell you. Before going into the recipe, let's go through what all are ingredients I am using. Yeah, so many people says that this is the authentic recipe. This is all prescribed recipes. But for the knowledge sake, for the each and every geography in the Telugu speaking people, they have 3 different regions. Rayalaseema got a different kind of geographical region, and Andhra got a coastal kind of geographical region. And coming to Telangana, it is a platoon kind of a different kind of region. So according to this geography, things are changed. So today when I am adapting this recipe, I am using all those ingredients which is going to raise immunity in you. The show Amul India is giving to give the taste along with some good cause to stand in front of the crowd. So definitely I should support and I should go by along with this. So I have added little more spices here and there, which is not traditionally followed by the coastal, but it is definitely going to raise your immunity. That's why I'm suggesting these ingredients. Let's go into the ingredients. We'll just see the ingredients before going into the recipe. Yeah, we have some cinnamon here, and we have some fenugreek, cloves, the black pepper, the immunity boss for the COVID-19 or the cold sake, red chilies, and coriander seeds and coriander leaves, garlic cloves, and curry leaves. Okay, when I am talking about the curry leaves, most of the people say that Indian recipes are, any recipe you take it, any recipe name you take it, they will say the name, and after that they will add the curry. Do you know why they are adding the curry after the recipe name? Today I am going to reveal it to you in front of you, my friends. Yeah, we'll just see the other ingredients as well. Please show the ingredients. Right, you have Bengal gram here, chana dal, and you have cumin seeds, and you have some mustard seeds to splatter with the digital sounds, and we have some black lentil, which is urad dal we have, and chopped onion, some of the brinjals, and some red chili flakes, and we have some ginger garlic paste, some of the slitted green chilies along with you, right? So all these things we're going to use it in the recipe. Now before I'm starting it, what is the first thing? Cut the cut and stuff, right? After that, cook and eat deliciously, randomly nice food. So we'll just go through with the cut. Right, why we are cutting this? Yeah, I have added some salt in it. After cutting it, I am going to put the brinjals in it. Why? Because so many people are said, might be watching from some of the people, those who are not really listen those all things I am telling for them. This is because of some of the vegetables by interacting the oxygen, it is going to be oxidized. So we have to prevent to prevent that acceleration. We are just putting all these brinjals into the salted water. And my dear friends, when you are cooking, most of the people think that cooking starts from starting the range. Is it so? No. It is start from your garden. It is start from your market. Chef, he himself goes to market and is nicely recognize tender, fresh vegetables. It is a joy when you are roaming in the gardens and when you are selecting delicious ingredients from the market. I know, sir, it is COVID-19. You are saying go to the market, you are going to get the joy. But yeah, it is a joy, but for this particular time, for this a little time. After that, definitely we are going to get the good days again back, my dear friends. Wait for it. And after that, we will joyfully cook the things and you are going to joyfully enjoy the food. When guest smiles, our heart smiles. So we are waiting for that days, and we are waiting really for those happy moments again. Hope everything goes good. May God bless all of us, right? So yeah, most of the people, again there is a clash. When I am cutting this, I am just cutting this side and I am giving a slit here. So usually some of the traditional people, they will cut here and after that they are going to use it. Why I am cutting here? Because here we are going to have, in the brinjal, we are going to have a little seed, a dense seed kind of thing. So when we are cooking, if that's supposed to cook very fast, the upper part of the brinjal is little gentle. So when we are cooking that, might be the inside of this shell is not going to cook properly. So what I am doing, I am using this particular part, I am slitting it here and I am going to cook it here so that we can easily cook it, right? Okay, now I'll just heat my oil. Meanwhile, you just see our teeny tiny ads displaying over there. Right, here now it is almost the oil is reaching into temperatures. Yes, we can use the ghee here. I am using some of the ghee and some of the oil here, but I really like to have ghee a lot, man. Ghee is going to give ultimate taste, which is, I'll suggest cow ghee. Most of the people will use the buffalo ghee, but yeah, for this making sweet kind of thing, people will use the cow ghee or cow milk. For this here, I am using the extra spices today. So if it goes inside and it is going to hurt your digestive system, to arrest it, I am using the cow ghee, right? So now I've taken this brinjals. Now nicely I'm going to cook it for a nice color. We required little more temperature for this. But whatever you will can you hear the DJ sound? Whenever we are cooking, we are going to get the sounds. If you are really involved, people says that I don't want to take any stress to my mind. I want to meditate and I want to leave all this world aside and I will live in my world with my own joy. But trust me, friends, if you are really started taking the joy while cooking, you will forget all those things and you will start cooking. I know most of the people in this COVID holidays, most of my young male friends and household friends, they have tried their hand in the kitchens and they have tasted the joy of the cooking. But still we have to understand, there is so much to understand. Indian cuisine, endless. Every 100 kilometers. Flavors changes, culture changes, taste changes. My dear friend, if you'll start getting the joy, then you will never stop cooking all these products. So I'll just put this aside and I'll start roasting all my medicinal ingredients. Are you ready to see that? What all are we going to use today? Yeah, I'm just taking the hardest particles first. Little cloves, and here I'm taking one cinnamon stick. My dear friends, this is the medicine where cinnamon stick, and I am adding some black pepper. Let me add some more. Right. Okay. Right. Here I am going to take some. First, let me roast. Whenever you are adding spices, you add a little amount of salt into it. Why? Because spices got nice amount of oil in it. So if you are sprinkling some amount of salt, the nice amount of oil comes out. Nice amount of oil comes out, and you can sense the flavor slowly. I can feel the flavor now. I am adding the cloves. Right. People will have the red chilies along with the stems. But I like to add without stem. I don't know. We have washed and dried it thoroughly. When you are making the stuffing powder, now my cutting part is over. I've already chopped some onion to save the time. Right? I've made some ginger garlic paste also. Today I'm using cow ghee, so I have to use more red chilies in it. Sorry. Happens. Okay. Most of my South Indian friends know all those things, but I said cooking is joy. When somebody is cooking or you are cooking something, definitely you are going to enjoy the cooking. So I supposed to dry roast all these ingredients to make the nice powder. So I am just dry roasting it to take out the flavors. Why we have to dry roast, my dear? We have to dry roast to get the flavors out of the ingredients. Yeah, I can smell it now. Right? This is the magic wand. Nice creamish, whitish, red colors are along with here, and a little more brownish I required these things. I'll increase some temperature so many modern gadgets are came inside, but you know, there is nothing like it if you will cook it on the wooden fire. Authentic, perfect taste you are going to get, but difficult. We are habituated to the comforts. We are not going to bend and we are not going to sit. Yeah, you are looking my size. And if I am telling all these things, definitely it's going to be wrong, but I am telling about the mind. I am not telling about the body. My dear cameraman brother, you are getting the smell right. Very nice flavor you are getting. My dear friend, Nana Gundu Teja Pandu, Ra Nana, we will nicely make the powder out of it. I am going to use this mustard seeds while giving the tempering of this curry. Right? Yeah. My dear friend, you tell me, just now I am in the briefing, I was saying I am going to reveal so many secrets. Yeah. Do you know why the Indians will call always after the recipe or before the recipe, why they will call it is as a curry? Because of this miracle ingredients, which is curry leaf. In Tamil Nadu or in Dravidian languages, it is called kari, K-A-R-I. Kari means black. If you will observe, curry leaves, seeds and bark of the tree is literally in dark. And South Indians got the connection with the dark. Here we will enjoy the darkness. So here, along with that, whatever we'll make, we'll add a little amount of curry leaves in it, right? So there we have emerged out of with curry powders. So whenever we are preparing something, we will add some amount of curry powders in it. That makes curry. Whenever if you are making brinjal curry, ridge gourd curry, Westerners, they always says whenever we go to abroad, what they will say? Whatever. What do you know about India? Yeah, curry. They don't know what it is. And even we don't know. We have to learn so many things, my dear. Right. I am just taking the spices out. I have to roast the lentils aside. So I am just taking this things and separately I am roasting the lentils aside. Right. Why I am taking? Because if you add more urad dal, it is going to become little gummy. So I am adding a very little bit compared to Bengal gram. Now I will little roast it. Yeah, my dear friend, can you just brown it? Meanwhile, I'll tell my friends what is curry and why South Indian people have so much of spicy food. I'll just explain. Meanwhile, you have to help me, my dear.
Yes.
Right. Yeah. Now we are roasting, we are cutting, we are doing so many things. Till now we have not added Amul. We are going to add it. ये क्या है ना, अगर आप घी को पहले डालें तो उसका फ्लेवर खिले जाता है, बोलता है लोग, बुजुर्ग लोग. सो हम हमेशा क्या करते हैं, when we are making the powders, we are doing something in the roasting, a little bit of teeny tiny drop we are going to have it, but it is already, we have got a nice refined kind of Amul ghee we got, so I can directly put it rather than taking the milk particles, all those things out of that butter. Kind of clarified butter we need not to make. Right. Now I've said about the why people will call after the name, why they will call curry. Now why South Indian people will add so much of spiciness in their food? What is the reason behind it? Anybody knows? Do you know, my dear?
Chef?
Do you know? No? Right. Okay. Why? Because there is a proverb in Sanskrit. Ushna Ushna Sheetalani or something is there. Nice proverb. When we are in the heat, usually if you will take the South India, it is a triangle like this, from Karnataka and Telangana to Kerala and Tamil Nadu, all this becomes a triangle. Kerala, all those things. So in this triangle, this side sea and this side seashore, so much of humidity is going to emerge. That's why we are going to have so much of temperatures in this station in the South India. So what we have to do, whenever we are consuming, to penetrate our gastric juices, we have to take a little more spices, so that more digestive juices will secrete into your digestive system, and it is going to give you a nice digestion capacity. That's why we are using it. And yeah, a little more brown. Yeah, it's urudal is done. Not done. Right. Just a little chill turf, and after that we are going to do we have right, shift it up. Right. Okay. So now one more thing. Usually whenever we'll feel so much of temperature in the summers, बर्फ गोला खाएंगे, कुल्फी खाएंगे, आइसक्रीम खाएंगे, that will directly go to into digestive system. Internal organs are chilled, they will take the pleasure. But after 10 minutes or 20 minutes, again the same thing. Again you will feel hot outside, and sometime it is cold inside. But when we are adding the spices into digestive system, you are going to sweat from here, everywhere. So the total metabolism, total body is going to be chilled off. Nicely you are going to be enjoy the chillness of the body for the 1 hour. So this is the secret. Usually all the South Indians are going to have a nice amount. We'll grind it, no problem. We'll grind it. We'll grind the thing. Throw it off. Right. Okay. I'll just arrange the place. Done. So today we are making Amul Nethi Vellulli Vankaya Karam. Along with this, we are supposed to give delicious accompaniments as well. But to the time lag, we can't make it. But definitely, I want to show them. In our Indian food, we have series of accompaniments on the banana leaf. Yeah, grind it. Just take some under. Yeah, whatever the ingredients we have dry roasted, all these things nicely roasted in the tawa, and after that I'm just 1 minute. I'm just dry roasting all these things. I'm grinding coarsely, not really I don't want to make it very finely. I'm just dry roasting it, dry grinding it, coarsely grinding it. Sorry. Right. Put it here. Right. Done. Just grind that thing. Right. So they said South Indian chefs, if they are singing, they were filled with the pleasure. The chef wife is not scolded him, and he is going to sing, and he want to make a beautiful dish. While singing, he will put nice amount of spices. Yeah, while the video is on, this sound is going to be really destructive, I know, but we require this. Right, add some to the color sake. Right. So usually in industry, chefs are going to be more joyful. Either they are going to be anger, and they are going to shout. They are going to shout a lot. So when chef is shouting, it is going to be extra spice in your dish. If he is in pleasure, he is singing, slowly he is going to put the spices. For the South Indian chefs, I am telling, definitely spice is common thing for both the things, right? So that's why we are using the Amul ghee. We will make the spicy dishes and we'll cut it off. Yeah, please add some amount of ghee in it. Yeah, usually this kind of coarseness we required. Can you see, this is the texture, nice amount of I am adding the Amul ghee. Amul, the best Amul ghee. Like honey it is flowing, right? Wow, right? I just want to mix this. It will give some moisture nature in it, so that I can fill this thing into brinjal. Right? Nice amount of Amul ghee I poured. So much of taste we are going to get. So while adding the spices, I've added some salt, but I am realizing now a little more salt I have to add in it. Might be right. I don't know, so many people are watching this program, and we have our Idli Street outlets almost 36 all over India, but 36 we have to come out with the more outlets to reach this big India. So find it out, any nearby place. If you have Idli Street, definitely. Now we are not really operating on the live, but definitely we are operating on the clouds, and some places due to this pandemic stage we are operating it. Can I get one plate, please? Yeah. So people say that sir, my mother always used to cook this dish. They never deep fat fried. Why you have deep fat fried this brinjal? This is. There are so many complaints, my dear, if it is related to the tongue value. So why I am doing it? If I am doing it in industry, we have to do this thing so many times. So when I am doing it with the raw brinjal, usually when I am opening like this, it is going to be teared off. So I want to make it a little pale. palatability I want to add to this brinjal, so I'm just adding this. Adding this powders in it, and that's why I've deep fat fried all these brinjals for a little time's sake, so that I've already got a little palatability in this brinjal. Hope you are clearly listening my words, or is it audible or not? Is it audible? Everything is audible?
Yes, chef.
I was screaming. If I am screaming, I am sorry. If I am not screaming also, I am sorry. Why? Because it's a point of objection. Right. Now, to not waste the time, can you give me those ingredients as well? Brinjals, only brinjals. Sample sake, I have only brinjals. Is it okay? Right. Now focus on the range. I'm removing it off. Sorry, we are not doing this in our industrial kitchen. Due to all lockdown is there, we have temporarily aligned a place to do this thing. But definitely, if you will visit our restaurant, you are going to see the wonderful kitchens. Bear with us. Right. Now what I do, I'll just heat the ghee and I'll put some of the mustard seeds to splutter, increase the temperature, and little amount of red chilies in it. Spicy bowl full of red chilies I have used. But my dear friends, you know, all over the world people are dying for the South Indian food. People are literally dying for the South Indian food. You go anywhere in the world, if I'll ask for the idli, they know it. I'm adding little red chilies in it. I'm adding I'm just adding the green chilies also in it. Red chilies, green chilies. Now it is raining outside. That is the sound of right. Right. That is the sound of, I always say that is the sound of rain whenever I try to set the fire under the range. Now I have to sweat this. You saw the color. Just focus on that. Focus on that. Okay, I'm going to add some amount of oil. Along with the ghee, I want to add some more oil as well. Right, formula number 21. After adding the onion, while it is sweating, you add the salt in it. Why I am adding the onions in it? To give some body to the brinjal. Yeah, people are asking about the ingredients. I have added the mustard seeds. It is nicely jumped in the hot ghee and explode. And after that, I have added little red chilies and green chilies and curry leaves. I have added ginger garlic paste and I have added some onions as well to sweat. Now it is sweating. I have already made it my masala, right? So that masala I am going to sprinkle it in, and this supposed to go little brownish. So I am waiting for that brownish thing. Too much of silence from the chef is going to be dangerous. I am not going to be silent. Yeah. Previously I have been a teacher of cooking. So whenever I have become silent, people used to ask me, what is the violent thing you are going to do? Why you are silent? So whenever I'll speak with them or shout with them, I am normal. मगर बनता है यार, होटल का इंडस्ट्री, like we are all works like white army. We always have to run, and I have to take care about so many things. If I'll shout, that voice tunes the staff. They will not get anger on us, so far I'll assume. But things go properly. That is what I required. I have a little tongue, but I'll shout for a while. Here we required act like angerness, not anger. Show your anger in action. Right? Now I am just adding the masala what we have made. Nice. This is the fiber we are talking, my dear. So many people are suffering for the Indian loose or Western loose. Sorry, I am cooking something and I am talking about something wrong, but that is the fact. This is the fiber I have added in it. So nicely it is going to digest in your digestive system. How is the color? Here the color ingredients we are missing. We are going to add a little amount of turmeric here and little amount of red chili powder here. वाह, आ गया ना? तो साउथ इंडियन का झटका वाला टेम्परिंग आ गया.
Chef,
Yes, sir.
People are asking for the stuffing ingredients.
Okay. Cutting, stuffing, cooking, and after that we are going to eat the things. Cutting, stuffing, and we are going to cook this and we are going to have it. So cutting, we are chopped the onions, we are slitted the brinjals, we are slitted the green chilies. Cutting part is over, the first step. Now the stuffing part, we have made a body with the lentil, which is urad dal and Bengal gram. And we have added so many spices and flavoring ingredients like coriander, cumin seeds, fenugreek seeds, cloves, cinnamon, black pepper, all those things we have added nicely. And we have dry roasted. After chilling the dry roasting powder, we have grinded. We have made out a nice masala. Immunity based masala we have made. Immunity based masala, my dear. These all are the things are prescribed by Ayurveda. We don't know. We will just eat. We will taste it. Wonderful, not wonderful. This is the game we are playing. But this is the fact. It is going to raise your immunity. Now here comes king of the brinjals. Jumps into the. Now slowly we will mix. वाह रे वाह, हो गया ना आपका. नाउ अगर आप ఒక్క నిమిషం నేను తెలుగులో మాట్లాడనా. వైట్ రైస్, కొంచెం నెయ్యి, కొంచెం పప్పుచారు లేదా కొంచెం సాంబారు, ఇంకా కొంచెం రసం ఉంటే రసం. Right? If we are going to add this brinjals into that rice and consume it, you are going to be floating on seventh heaven, my dear. King of the vegetables. Who is the king of the vegetables? Mr. Brinjal. Now it have to cook a little bit, so I am leaving it. I am decreasing the temperature. Can I leave it? We've already made it, so I'll just get ready for the presentation now. Meanwhile, senses awakening recipes. You have to watch the color, you have to smell the flavor, and you have to taste and you have to feel the texture. Nothing supposed to miss in it. अगर कुछ भी मिस हो गया ना, दूल्हा डिसअपॉइंट हो जाएगा. अगर दूल्हा डिसअपॉइंट हो जाएगा, दुल्हन डिसअपॉइंट हो जाएगा, आप दोनों डिसअपॉइंट हो जाएगा, गेस्ट डिसअपॉइंट हो जाएगा. अगर गेस्ट डिसअपॉइंट हो जाएगा, हमारा काम डिसअपॉइंट हो जाएगा. सो वी हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल व्हेन वी आर कुकिंग इनटू इंडस्ट्री. बट ट्रस्ट मी माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, in this lockdown situation, the chefs are really struggling a lot. Hotel industry is struggling a lot. All our Indians are supposed to support the hotels and chefs community. Why? Because these many days they have served a lot delicious food wherever you go. शादी खाना जाओ, hotel जाओ, 5-star hotel जाओ, everywhere, anywhere, with so much of hard work they have fed you, and they just expected smile on your face. If you will give the smile, no, they will celebrate back of the kitchen. They will dance like anything. You know, that joy is really different, man. So if we are finding the joy in the hard work, it is never stoppable. It is going to be on. Teja, my dear. Teja Pando. Right, I'll just shift all these things and we'll start presenting the food here. Let's put some more ghee in it. Silence is ruling. हमको शोर चाहिए किचन्स में. अगर शोर नहीं है तो हमको अच्छा नहीं लगता. So we always scream, be just like that. We'll call our colleagues. Pando, how are you doing?
Yeah, sure, sir.
Yeah, good. That is the shout, gives the relief when we are doing the hard work. Right? We have did the hard work. Get the duster. Right. This all these things. Clear it off. Right. The food drama is going to be finished, and if Amul likes it, we are going to come back on this show, and we'll come out with one more delicious show. And done. Okay. Now we will I've taken out some ragi sankati, and I'm pouring the nice amount of ghee in it, lavish amount of ghee, like flowing like honey. Right, very good. I'm adding Rayalaseema Rosham, Paurisham, Kopam, red chili flakes in it, tempered one, right? It is not raw red chilies. You have flavor in it. And I'm going to have a little amount of coriander in it. And yes, now this is the Telangana delicacy. I am mixing all Telangana, Rayalaseema and our Andhra. All Telugu people going to make feast today. Sir, you have not made Pachi Pulsu in front of us. You have not made Ragi Sankati in front of us. No problem, I am going to tell you. I am going to tell you all this recipe. Amul is going to give a facility to us. to give some recipe description kind of thing. In that I am going to give everything it to you. Right. I am just giving a rustic presentation which will definitely go into village kind of. Give me a ladle. I have curry leaves, roasted curry leaves are there. A nice amount of coriander leaves on the top, and my dear Mr. Amul ki little tinge on it, and a little amount of red chili as well, nicely tempered. Okay, here comes the village style rustic. Let me cleanse on it. These all are the recipes. Along with this, people try to have ఉల్లిపాయలు దంచేసుకుంటారు, మామూలుగా ఉండదు, అల్లాడిపోవాలంతే. రైట్, I'll just clean this place to give a nice look. Sorry if I'm making the place messy, but when we are making the tasty food, थोड़ा इधर उधर तो होता है भैया. Accept it. And right, hope you have liked the food what we have made it today. Right, let me call my partner here. Come here, my dear partner. Just taste the food, sir. Here we don't have guests right now, so I just want to see the smile. Right?
Hi everyone, I'm back again. I think Chef Satish has done a good job here. Before I just want to taste this food, I just want to sanitize once again my hands. Yeah, little. Yeah, now I'm safe. I can handle the food now comfortably. Chef Satish, what is the name of the dish?
Amul Neti Vellulli Vankaya Karam.
It's okay, it's in Telugu, it's okay, but a lot of viewers are from different places of the world, different places of India.
Right,
well.
right. Vellulli Vankaya Karam. Vellulli is garlic.
Yes.
And Karam is your red chilies. Two spicy ingredients, and we are making a nice magical masala along with the two ingredients by adding all other different ingredients, and we have made it a brinjal curry along with that. Now you people know what is the curry.
What a great explanation, Satish. And that too. Can you tell that same thing in Hindi? So a lot of you from North India is also looking at this video, and they are just asking what all the ingredients are. I just send him a mail ready to give a detailed recipe chart. But even then, for your understanding, for your convenience, Chef Satish is going to tell what is this dish is called in Hindi. Chef?
भाई और बहनों, भाई लोगों और बहन लोगों, ये है ब्रिंजल करी along with लाल मिर्ची और लहसुन दोनों मिला के दमदार मसाला करके अच्छा स्टफ करके you know the like that thing no cut and stuff and cook and eat that is what we have made nicely stuffed masala nicely cooked आप भी कुक करता है ना बरवन
Very soft.
वो बरवन पूरा
Very soft.
अब ये स्टफ्ड हो गया
I think we got a feast today. We don't have to eat anything at home now. Let me taste. Chef Satish, this is your prior permission. Can I?
yeah it's my pleasure sir
It's wow. It's wow. I just want to introduce one of our guests who is just watching this show to come here and taste and say and little more compliments to Mr. Satish Chef.
yeah
Please. I just want to Teja, please.
Hi. I'm back.
Such a wonderful dish, Satish. Seriously.
I just want to taste the dish. Can I?
Sure.
अगर
Wow. Really, it's amazing. Really.
half
All this credit goes to Chef Satish.
no half of the effort our work and half of the effort it is our Amul yeah
Without permission.
थैंक यू शेक हैंड हो गया अभी सैनिटाइज करना है राइट इट इज लिटिल हार्ड फॉर अस मैन वी इंडियंस गॉट so sweet hearts we'll give
See,
the
we
shake
advise
hands.
all food lovers across India. See, it's always good to have food outside. But unfortunately, because of the COVID-19 crisis, so we have come out with a program with collaboration with Amul. We just want to give the wonderful recipes you can try at home. Be safe, stay healthy, eat strong. Right? Thank you so much.
Ciao.
Ciao.